Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with your Windows installation could not be completed. Something happened and the install could not be completed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into the solution. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best match should say troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath Options, you want to select Other Troubleshooters. And then underneath Most Frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the corresponding Run button. And once that's concluded, close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match will come back with Command Prompt. Right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in SFC followed by a space /scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.